Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Missybeelondon, and in this video you'll see me taking out the crochet box braids from my hair. First I am taking out the pins that I put in my hair because I kind of remember where I put them, and it's good to take out the pins before you do any unraveling. So there, now you see me unraveling the box braids. Bear in mind, I had this styling for maybe, I think it was like 5 days or 6 days, because I've said previously that I wash my hair, or I like to wash my hair every Sundays. So if I do my hair or style it on a Monday or Tuesday, you understand, that's only like many or a couple of days that is in. Then I take it out on Sunday or Saturday. But yeah, I'm taking this out. I recorded this video in February or January, I don't remember now. So much time has flown by, so much has happened, blah blah blah. But I thought I'll upload this video onto YouTube so you can see how I take out the crochet braids. And hopefully you've watched the previous video on how I did this as well, so you can understand how I take it out. I kind of take it out easily, or I cheat taking it out, as in I take out my hair, and then I just undo the knots in the crochet plaits as well. You know what, I don't even know what I'm doing, I'm tired, I'm just watching this video. But as you can see anyway though, it's easy to come out, thank goodness for that, 'cause I need easy styles right now. Easy to put in, easy to take out, simple life, that's all I want. There you go. I think there was like 12 plaits in my head. You know what, I can't remember. Sorry, like I say, I film videos way before I upload them, because it depends on what I need to upload, blah blah blah, or I just record in bulk. And then when I'm ready to put it on YouTube, that could be many weeks later. So yeah, you know how it goes. So by now, you know, I've had different hair videos since then. So, but yeah, nearly finished taking it out as well. As you can see, like I said, it's a quick process. And you saw and you heard me moan about the gel that I used in my hair, and you will see the effects of using the gel in my hair and what it did to my hair for the couple of days it was on my hair. It made my hair dry, and look at the particles. Can you see the dryness in that bit where I put the gel in my hair? Look at it, dry like what? Can you believe that? Like I said, or maybe I might use that gel again with something else, because when I used it the first time for a twist out, that never happened. But for this style, it made my hair dry, flaky. Look at it, dry like what? I don't know what's going on. Who knows? My hair is different anyway. Anyway, I'm combing my hair out now, and then I'm gonna put it in a little style. This is a quick video. You know me, I like to make it quick sometimes. Hope you understood or enjoyed this quick little video. Hope you can come back to watch more hair videos that I will do in the future if you're new, and thank you for coming back if you're a returning subscriber. You see, look, I wouldn't say look closely, but you can see, and there's me trying to do a little length check. I don't do it regular. It goes to my lips. I'm laughing because that's how I did it, so to say. But yeah, thank you for watching anyway. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. See you later. Bye.